Hi, my name is Alex Sadov. I am going to be your instructor for this course. I've been involved in the UNIX world more than 30 years ago and have been working with Linux systems almost from the very beginning. This is an UNIX and Linux introductory course. This course isn't about memorizing countless definitions and specifications or endlessly learning how to keystroke. Instead, we will try to understand the philosophy of systems and the reasons why existing technical solutions were developed. This course will provide you with the fundamentals of UNIX and Linux operating systems. It will show you how such systems are organized and demonstrate how to use them at an advanced level, which you will be able to practice on your own. In addition to usual lectures, we have added additional materials called Under the Hood. This is not required for graduation check, but understanding it does matter when interviewing for well-known companies like Google or Facebook. In this course, you will be introduced to reasons why open standards and the open source development model are so important in today's computing environment. After completing this course, you will have a solid introduction to working with the UNIX, Linux from the command line and a good understanding of principles how those systems work. In applying those skills, you will be able to perform fundamental operational tasks. Whether your UNIX Linux machine is in your hands or on remote systems across the internet. And you will be ready to work with any UNIX-like system with an experienced user and move on to learning the problems solved by administrators, developers, or DevOps.